how to insert a signature picture into Microsoft Excel. So here's a signature file, it's a PNG, and you cannot simply drag and drop it there, it's not going to insert it. You cannot either copy it, copy and paste is not going to work, paste is grayed out here. But another option is to go here to insert pictures, place in cell from this device. Okay, so select the picture, it's on my desktop, that one, insert it, and is there. We can make it larger and we can see that the signature is there. Okay, the problem with this is that if I double click on this picture, then it will disappear. So double click and voila, we have a text. That is text and I cannot get the picture back. So another way to insert a picture, let's say that one, come to this one, press delete to clear it. Here on the insert, go to shapes, use let's say a rectangle and draw inside from one corner to the other, but first hold down the Alt key so that it will jump exactly to the corner. So Alt and drag, and notice it's jumping exactly to the corners. Now it has black margins and a blue fill. We have to click on that one, go to shape format, the outline, that black line should be no outline. Now the black line disappeared. Now go to shape fill, that's the bluish color, and don't use a color but picture, and that picture we will select the signature. So from file, use the signature file, insert it, and now it's there. It doesn't have an edge, and if I double click on it, it remains there, it doesn't disappear. Even if I close it and save it, next time when I open it, the signature remains there. So that's how to insert a signature, a picture, into Microsoft Excel and make it remain there.